Welcome to our journey on escaping the rat race, a term you've probably heard tossed around. But what does it really mean? The rat race refers to a frustrating, hard-to-break cycle where individuals feel like they're endlessly running in a wheel, working excessively long hours in highly competitive environments, primarily to pay bills and keep up with societal pressures. It's characterized by the monotonous routine of working just to survive, with little or no time for personal passions or enjoying life's simpler pleasures. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can step out of this relentless cycle. This video will guide you through 7 actionable steps to not only gain financial freedom but also increase your quality of life. We'll explore everything from assessing your current financial situation to setting impactful goals and wise investing. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow that will lead you out of the rat race and into a more fulfilling life. Let's get started. Step 1. Assess your current situation. Understanding your financial and professional standing is the foundation of escaping the rat race. It's about knowing where you are so you can map out where you need to go. Without a clear picture of your current finances, making informed decisions that will propel you forward is nearly impossible. This assessment acts as a diagnostic of your financial health, highlighting areas of strength and pinpointing vulnerabilities. To begin, you need the right tools and methods for tracking your finances. Start with a simple budgeting tool or app that lets you record your monthly income and expenses. This will show you how much money you have coming in, where it's going, and where you might be able to cut back. Additionally, keeping a log of your debts, including credit card balances, student loans, and mortgages, will help you understand your financial obligations and prioritize repayments. 2 crucial financial metrics to track are your net worth and your debt-to-income ratio. Your net worth is the difference between what you own, your assets, and what you owe, your liabilities. To calculate it, subtract your total liabilities from your total assets. A positive net worth means you own more than you owe, a key indicator of financial health and a milestone on the path out of the rat race. Your debt-to-income ratio, DTI, measures your total monthly debt payments against your gross monthly income, expressed as a percentage. This metric is used by lenders to evaluate your borrowing risk, but it's also a useful gauge for personal finance management. A lower DTI helps you achieve financial stability and makes you less vulnerable to economic downturns. By thoroughly assessing your financial status using these tools and metrics, you can establish a realistic baseline and set precise, achievable goals. This initial step is not just about gathering data. It's about setting the stage for every decision that will help you escape the rat race and build a life of financial freedom. Step 2. Set clear goals. Escaping the rat race isn't just about wishing for a better life. It's about setting clear, actionable goals. This is where SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, become essential. SMART goals provide a framework that enhances your ability to succeed by making your objectives clear and trackable. For example, instead of vaguely aiming to save more money, set a specific goal such as save $10,000 in an emergency fund within 18 months. This goal is measurable. You can track your savings progress. Achievable, based on your budget. Relevant, improving financial security. And time-bound, with a clear deadline. Realistic financial goals might include paying off all credit card debt within 2 years, purchasing a home in 5 years, or generating a passive income stream that covers 50% of monthly expenses by retirement. Personal goals might involve achieving a better work-life balance by transitioning to a 4-day workweek or dedicating time to pursue a passion or hobby. Visualizing these goals can be a powerful motivator. Imagine the relief of being debt-free or the pride of buying your first home. Visualization not only helps maintain motivation, but also makes the goals feel tangible and achievable. It connects the dry numbers and strategies of financial planning with emotional rewards, making the long-term effort more appealing and realistic. By setting smart goals and regularly visualizing your success, you create a roadmap that not only guides your financial decisions but also keeps you motivated as you make your way out of the rat race. This combination of strategic planning and emotional engagement is key to transforming your aspirations into reality. Step 3. Reduce expenses. Reducing expenses is a critical step in escaping the rat race. It's not just about cutting costs. It's about optimizing your financial resources to achieve greater freedom and stability. Here are some practical tips for reducing unnecessary spending. Audit your spending. Begin by reviewing your bank statements and receipts. Identify non-essential expenses that you can reduce or eliminate, such as dining out, subscriptions you rarely use, or impulse buys. Use cash budgets to control daily spending. Try using cash for all your purchases during the week. This tactile method helps you visualize exactly how much you are spending and can curb the temptation to overspend with credit cards. Shop with a list. Whether shopping for groceries or essentials, always go with a list and stick to it. This reduces the chance of impulse purchases, saving you money in the long run. When it comes to managing your money more effectively, several budgeting techniques can help. 50 by 30/20 budget. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, like rent and bills, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This method ensures balanced spending while prioritizing savings. Zero-based budget. This technique involves assigning every dollar of your income a specific purpose, whether it's spending, saving, or investing, so that your income minus your expenses equals zero. Additionally, establishing an emergency fund is vital. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses and be reserved for unexpected costs like medical emergencies or job loss. Having this safety net reduces the need to incur debt during financial setbacks, protecting you from further financial strain. By implementing these strategies to reduce expenses and budget effectively, you can take control of your finances, paving the way out of the rat race toward financial independence. Step 4. Increase your income. Escaping the rat race often requires more than just cutting back on expenses. Boosting your income is equally important. Here are several strategies to increase your earnings. Education and skill development. Investing in your education can lead to higher earning potential. Consider courses, certifications, or degrees that are in high demand. Areas such as digital marketing, coding, or project management offer valuable credentials that can significantly boost your career prospects. Networking. Building a professional network is crucial. Attend industry conferences, join professional organizations, and participate in community groups related to your field. Networking can lead to new job opportunities, freelance gigs, and valuable partnerships that might not be accessible through traditional employment channels. Side hustles. Starting a side business or picking up freelance work can supplement your income. Whether it's consulting in your professional field, selling crafts online, or driving for a rideshare company, side hustles not only increase your income but also diversify your revenue streams. In addition to active income, generating passive income can provide long-term financial security. Real estate. Investing in rental properties can generate a steady stream of passive income and also offer potential tax advantages. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks provides regular income through dividends, which can be reinvested to grow your holdings. Automated businesses. Online businesses that require little day-to-day management, such as dropshipping or content creation, like ebooks or courses, can generate ongoing passive income. These methods of increasing your income serve dual purposes. They enhance your financial cushion and offer more flexibility in managing your time. By diversifying your income sources, you not only buffer against economic downturns but also accelerate your journey out of the rat race. Step 5. Invest wisely. Investing wisely is a key component of escaping the rat race, as it allows your money to grow and work for you over time. Understanding the basics of different investment options and the importance of risk diversification can help you make informed decisions aligned with your financial goals. Stocks. Investing in stocks means buying shares of companies. This can provide high returns but also comes with high risk due to market volatility. Bonds. Bonds are essentially loans you give to corporations or governments in exchange for periodic interest payments plus the return of the bond's face value at maturity. They are generally safer than stocks but offer lower returns. Real estate. Real estate investment can include buying properties to rent or sell at a profit. While it requires more initial capital, real estate can provide steady passive income and capital appreciation. Mutual funds and ETFs. These funds pool money from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks and/or bonds, offering instant diversification and reducing individual investment risk. Diversification is the practice of spreading your investments across various asset classes to reduce risk. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you can mitigate the impact of a poor performance in one sector on your overall portfolio. Choose investments based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. For long-term goals like retirement, you might lean towards stocks or real estate for growth. For short-term goals, safer investments such as bonds or high-yield savings accounts might be appropriate. To invest wisely, regularly review and adjust your portfolio to ensure it remains in line with your evolving financial needs and market conditions. By doing so, you can manage risks effectively and increase the likelihood of achieving your financial objectives, paving your way out of the rat race. Step 6. Automate your finances. Automating your finances is a powerful strategy to ensure you consistently work towards your financial goals without having to rely on daily decisions and willpower. Here's how automation can benefit your financial health and which tools can help you implement it. Consistency. Automating your savings and investment contributions ensures that you contribute regularly, helping to build wealth over time without the temptation to skip or delay. Simplify money management. Automation simplifies the management of your finances by handling recurring tasks such as bill payments and savings transfers, reducing the risk of late payments and the stress of manual management. Emotion-free decisions. By automating investments, you remove the emotional aspect that often accompanies investing decisions, such as panic selling in a downturn or overexcitement in a bull market. This leads to more disciplined and rational financial behavior. Direct deposit allocations. Use direct deposit from your paycheck to automatically allocate funds to savings accounts, investment accounts, and bill payments. This ensures that your financial priorities are addressed as soon as your income is received. Automatic transfer services. Banks and financial apps often offer automatic transfer features that can move a predetermined amount of money into savings or investment accounts regularly. Investment apps. Platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront automate the investing process by using algorithms to manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and goals, adjusting the portfolio as needed. Bill pay services. Most banks provide automatic bill pay services, which can be set up to pay your regular expenses such as utilities, mortgage, or insurance, ensuring they are never missed. Implementing these tools can help maintain financial discipline, ensuring you are always moving towards your financial goals efficiently. Automation not only helps in optimizing the allocation of your resources, but also keeps your financial plan on track regardless of daily fluctuations in your motivation or changes in your routine. Step 7. Reassess and adjust regularly. To truly escape the rat race, it's crucial to not only set up a financial plan but also to revisit and refine it regularly. This ongoing process ensures that your financial strategy remains aligned with your evolving goals, market conditions, and personal circumstances. Regular assessments allow you to adjust your budget, savings, and investments as necessary, Life changes, such as a new job, a move, or a family addition, might require shifts in your financial planning. Moreover, the economic landscape can change, influencing the performance of your investments and the relevance of your current financial strategies. Subscribe to Financial News. Keep abreast of financial markets and economic trends by subscribing to reputable financial news outlets. This will help you make informed decisions based on current economic conditions. Use financial management tools. Leverage tools that offer insights and analytics on your finances. Many investing apps and platforms provide regular updates on your portfolio's performance and how it compares to general market trends. Consult with professionals. An annual or biannual meeting with a financial advisor can provide professional insights into your financial health and help refine your strategy to better meet your goals. By staying informed and adaptable, you can ensure that your financial plan continues to work for you as you move closer to escaping the rat race. Regularly updating your strategy based on informed decisions is key to long-term financial success and stability. Start taking actionable steps today and begin your journey towards financial freedom and a life beyond the rat race. Let's make your dreams a reality. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more insights. Share your own experiences in the comments below to help inspire others. Don't forget to turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Let's escape the rat race together.